Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right into today's content. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $869.7 billion. Down 0.1% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 36.5%. Scrolling through the board, you guys can see over the last 1 hour, we are starting to see a little bit of green across the board, but again, nothing super exciting going on as far as the overall market sentiment is concerned. We're still on the extreme bearish side. But today I want to look further into Terra Luna Classic and see what's going on with Terra Luna Classic and where are we going in the immediate short term. Looking at the price of Terra Luna Classic, it is currently trading at that 0.000158 cents, down 1.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 1.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Terra Luna Classic's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 43 spot, so that's definitely something nice to note and not ignore. Market cap is currently sitting at 950 million, so we still have not crossed that $1 billion mark since we have gone below the $1 billion market valuation. We have not seen Terra Luna Classic go above that, so maybe in the next few days that could be a possibility, but we will get into that in this video. But the 24-hour trading volume, that's something I do want each and every one of you guys to keep in mind, is quite low for Terra Luna Classic right now, currently sitting at 69.4 million. But now let's waste no more time and get right into the prices. But before we get into the prices, I just wanted to share something interesting with you guys. So this was a tweet that I came across, and I really wanted to share that with my viewers. You guys can see top IBC network projects with the highest social engagements last month, and look what's number one. Look what is at the number one spot. It's Terra Luna Classic. And now you may be saying, why does that matter? Why does the engagement matter? Engagement at the end of the day is the most important thing when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And now you may be saying, why is that? Because at the end of the day, hype plays a major factor when it comes to the price movement of a project and the overall success. And the more social engagement a project has, the better, the likelihood it is going to have, a nice rally, especially, if it's hype. And, hype, I'm telling you guys, hype is the number one key factor when it comes to the price movement. And without a doubt right now, Terra Luna Classic is sitting at number one and should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us, considering all these moves that they're making. A lot of other, big organizations in the crypto space, along with some big exchanges that are supporting this massive burn for Terra Luna Classic. And, I believe the future is very bright as long as the community continues to, work together and take the initiative to make this, a great project once again. And despite, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of negative comments over the past few days, few months, Terra Luna Classic is still in the top 100, so that should speak a lot for itself. But now, let's get right into the price and see what exactly is going on. What are some targets we should be looking at as we go into Saturday and Sunday, and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So right away, like I said, the price is sitting at that 0.000158 cents mark, and it's once again, we are still below this level of resistance at that 1.7 cents mark. And if I do bring out the 1 hour time frame, gives us a better understanding as to what really is going on. But so far, like I said, we've been creating an upwards channel. This upwards channel is holding at this level of support. These wicks that we have seen, the support dates back a few months ago as well, and we're currently sitting at these support lines. Again, not the best thing right now. Again, if we really want to get excited and see, hey, what, the market and the overall price of Terra Luna Classic is indeed in a reversal, only way to tell that is if the price goes above this level of resistance at the 1.74 cents mark. I cannot stress this enough. If we go out of here, guys, and we consolidate here and start heading back towards these highs that we have not seen since, obviously November 9th crash, I believe Terra Luna Classic would have been around this range if the Bitcoin price crash did not happen and the overall FTX mania that caused the entire market to really react, because that really did impact a lot of people. And, that was mainly due to the fact that one exchange went insolvent, and FTX was one of the biggest exchanges. So that is one of the key factors as to why majority of the cryptocurrencies have reacted in a negative way. And I do believe FTX is to blame for that. And I believe if this FTX collapse did not happen, we'd still be above this level of support. But right now, that's definitely not the case. You guys can see we are in a downwards trend over the past few months. and that is no secret right now. But one thing that's definitely we should be looking at pointing out right now is that we do need to be above this level of resistance as soon as possible. The sooner the better. But one negative thing I still want to bring out to your guys' attention is that we have no buying pressure at this point. There's no buying pressure coming in for Terra Luna Classic, which is a bearish thing to note as of recording this video. Obviously, we do need buying pressure for us to really start heading towards the upside, and that's definitely not the case unless we do hear some sort of major bullish news that comes out of Terra Luna Classic, maybe a big exchange trying to support it, or maybe Elon Musk comes out and starts tweeting about it, and you guys already know what Elon Musk does when it comes to cryptocurrencies. If he tweets it, it's gonna pump like crazy. But obviously, Terra Luna Classic is no meme coin. I believe this project is going to continue to, have the community and the team work together and really make this project once again a good project. But that is going to take time. But right now, like I said, I am keeping an eye out on this level of resistance, but we need to keep a very, very close eye on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been sitting at $16,530 for the third or fourth day in a row now, and we're still at extreme danger zone for Bitcoin. And as we go into Saturday, you guys know weekends tend to be a lot of manipulation across the board, so that's something we do need to keep in mind. If we do see more downwards momentum occur, then we could possibly see more yearly lows created, and I still believe there's more downside for the price of Bitcoin. But obviously, the positive thing would be is to get back into the 78.6. That would be a nice thing. That's where we were prior to the FTX collapse. So that would be the positive thing that we should be looking at. And I think in the next 24 to 48 hours, we are going to see a little bit of a move in the Bitcoin's price. And that would really be an indication as to what is going to happen as we go into December. I still believe, historically speaking, sometimes December does tend to be a little bit of a good month. But right now, according to the sentiment, we should not be making any assumptions. We will find out what happens. But all eyes are on Bitcoin right now. Me personally, I believe that Bitcoin should hit its bottom before we start this upwards trend. The sooner the better, because then we can start looking at our strategies for the next bull cycle. I already have my strategy in play. If you guys want to know my strategy, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will bring you guys my strategy. Again, that's just a strategy. That's my own personal opinion, not financial advice. But I believe that 2023 year itself is going to be a reversal occurring for the overall markets. And that's where I am going to be, shaping my bags for that. My initial plan was to have all my bags ready before this year comes to an end, but I decided that Q1 of next year, I still will be accumulating and adding a little bit of bags here and there, dollar cost averaging in, and then just hold on to my bags for the next bull cycle. Very exciting times definitely ahead for us, but right now we are seeing a little bit of a negativity on the BTC side, and BTC should not be ignored. But let me know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying these updates. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZXN. Peace out.